video will talk about how we can create a wall and make arc shape opening in the wall. So let's get started. First, I should have to choose a wall option. Here I am choosing the wall option. Now I'll create just a random wall, 20 feet it is, but let's say it is up to level 2. I'll drag like this. I'll create a wall of 48 feet, just like that. Now I'll go to the default 3D view here. You can check it out. Here it is a default 3D view. I'll click on the front elevation. Now I'll choose this visual style. Now it is shaded form. You can check it out. It is a simple wall. I want to create an opening or arc shape opening or different kinds of openings in this wall. So how will I make it? So I'll select this wall just like this. Now I'll go to the edit and modify walls. I'll click on this edit walls here. Now the wall will show like this. Now this is in edit mode. I'll select this line option just like that. I'll zoom a little bit here. From here I'll start like this. I'll make line like this, then I'll go just like that, and now I'll select this line to that. Now I'll split this line and will open this space just like you can see. I'll choose the split option just like this. I'll split the wall like this. Now I'll use the trim command. Where is the trim command? Here. I'll select this line first and then this line. You can see this line is trimmed. Now I'll select this line first and then I'll click here. This is trimmed. Now I'll click the finish mode and you can see here an opening will form. Now if I want to make an arc shape opening, so how will I make arc shape opening? I'll select the wall, edit wall. Now I'll choose this line first. You can see just like this, just like 5 feet and like this. Now I'll choose this arc option, just like I'll select these 2 points, clicking over here. Sorry for this. And I'll choose the arc like this. You can see. Now I'll select this line, delete it, and now I'll use this split command also here. I'll split this line, and then I'll trim this line. You can see I am selecting this line, then clicking over this line. Select this line and click over this line. Now I'll click on the finish mode and here an arc will form. Now if I want to make another arc, so let's say I am clicking on this wall, edit. Here I am selecting this line like this. You can see here. From here I'll select like this and you can check it out. Now let's say I want to create another type of arc. Let's say I want to select like this and then I'll select like this. Now I'll delete the extra lines. How will I delete? Just choose this line, delete it. Now choose this line, delete it, and split the other line inside the arc or the opening. Then trim it. Use the trim command here. I am selecting this line and then this line. I am selecting this line over here and clicking over here. Now I am clicking the finish mode. So here you can see these three kind of openings I have formed. So using these commands and using this procedure you can make any kind of opening in Revit walls. Thank you for watching.